Okay, guys, let's get started. So I welcome you all to this Microsoft Intune overview session. Now, in this session, I'm gonna give you some um, information about this product, Microsoft Intune, the historical background details. Then we are going to discuss about the architectural diagram. Then why Intune is the best choice for organization, Intune competitors. Then we are going to discuss about Intune lab setup. Okay, what all things will be covered in this training, how the training will be conducted, and all. So it's going to be a short session wherein you will understand this product, and then from tomorrow onwards, we will start the training in full fledged. Now, so I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Kashif. I am from India, Mumbai. I have somewhere around 18 years of practical IT experience. I work as architect. I have expertise on various products like Intune, SCCM, Active Directory, Azure, PowerShell, application packaging, Microsoft 365. Then I am a Microsoft certified professional. Plus, I have completed my master's in information technology. With regards to training, I have a total 10 years of training experience, wherein I have trained more than 50,000 students globally. This is my contact email address, website, and phone number. Okay. Now, let's discuss about this product. This Intune is basically a Microsoft product. Okay. Microsoft has developed this product and released in the market. So Intune belongs to Microsoft. This product came into the market in the year 2010. So in the year 2010, this product came into the market. So what is the main reason? Why do we use Intune? So the main reason to use Intune is to do MDM, mobile device management. That's the first reason. Second reason why do we use Intune? That is mobile application management. Okay, so the main reason why do we use Intune is to manage mobile devices and manage mobile applications. Now, what all devices you can manage? You can manage Windows 10, Windows 11 computers, whether it is virtual machine or laptop or desktop. You can control MacBook. Okay, you can deploy policies and all, and um, all kinds of device management thing we can deploy on these devices like devices, Windows 10 and Windows 11, plus MacBook, plus um, Android, right? Then Windows Phone, then Apple, you have Linux device as well. We can manage Linux device as well. Okay. Similarly, you can manage mobile application. For example, Outlook policy, data uh, protection policy, data transfer policy. Um, we can create. So two things are needed for Intune: MDM and MAM, mobile device management and mobile application management inside the devices. Now, using Intune, you can control devices all over the globe, right? So you can control devices all over the globe. Okay. So as Intune administrator, suppose you are working as Intune administrator, you will be able to manage devices in all over the globe as long as the devices have internet connection. So you can manage devices. Now, Intune services are running in Azure Cloud Data Center, which is present in more than 60 countries now. Okay. This is the outside view of the data center. This is the outside view of the data center. Okay. Now this one is the inside view of the data center, wherein you have containers. As you see, these are the containers. Inside the container, you have racks, all these racks. And then on each rack, you have high configured servers. Okay. Now this is the actual Intune architectural diagram. So when you create your subscription, you get web console. From web console, you do the configuration and reporting. Your information goes to Graph API. From Graph API, it is going to connect to the Intune services in the backend to configure devices or to protect data or to manage application. Okay, so this is right now you will not be able to understand it properly, but when you do the practical, you will get more clear picture. How do we use console and then configure devices and all. Now Intune has integration with Microsoft Entra ID, then SCCM, then App Store, Apple App Store, Google Play Store, Microsoft Store, then Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, then it is Microsoft 365. It has integration with Microsoft 365. Then it has integration with managed Google Play apps, then Google Cloud. It can manage Windows 10, Windows 11 machines, MacBook, Android, Linux, and iOS devices. So you can manage devices, plus you can manage applications inside the devices. You can deploy update policy using Windows Update for Business. Okay. So basically, Intune architecture is being controlled by Microsoft. You don't have to worry about anything if something goes down with Intune or hardware failure or any issues. Yes, Microsoft is the one who is responsible to fix the problems. Now, Intune has competitors. These are competitors wherein Intune is moving like a monster with 40% of market share. And it is being implemented in almost all big size and almost all big size and medium size organizations, they have implemented Intune to manage their devices. Okay, so it has 40% of market share. Okay, people who are using these competitors, they are moving towards Intune now. Okay, now why Intune is the best choice for organization? Due to some reason, as you see, easy for deployment, Microsoft integration is there, unified management. It's a SaaS architecture. SaaS means you don't have to do anything in your office premises. Everything will be in cloud. Okay. It is very cheap. Then it has support for cloud cross-platform support, automation and efficiency. Your employee can work from anywhere. Then we have comprehensive device management, security policies, configuration profile, application management, conditional access. Then it has more enhanced security feature than its competitors, and it is very easy to enroll devices. Okay, so these are the reasons why Intune is the best choice for organization. Okay, now why Intune is the best choice for you? Because this is a matured product. For the past 16 years this is present in the market, plus it is being implemented in almost all big size and medium size organization. That is the reason you have good vacancy. good salary. Okay, you can expect a salary of 50 US dollar per hour or 800,000 Indian rupees. Okay, anyone from IT and non-IT background can easily learn this one. This technology to learn Intune is very easy because everything is GUI based, and it is um, self-explanatory. You know, when you start using it slowly and gradually, you will be able to learn this technology. You don't need to learn any coding languages or programming languages. You don't need to learn any language like C, C++ or Java or um, Python or anything. Online resources are available. So in case if you are stuck, you can simply Google it out and you will have the resources. Okay. Then you have good career path. You can make your career in this as Intune level 1, level 2, level 3 and architect. Now then you have a license. You can take Microsoft 365 license for Intune or a standalone license or enterprise mobility plus security. Now in our training, okay, which we are starting, so we will do theory plus practical. Okay, theory plus practical with log analysis. Okay, then assignment will be given to you based on real time scenario. Okay, now after this training, if you would like to take exam and get yourself certified, then you need to take this exam, MD 102 exam, and the cost of this exam is 4,865. Okay, what all things are included in this training? It is daily recording, Intune study material, sample resume, interview question and answers, exam dumps, and course completion certificate. Okay. Now lab setup. So each one of you, you have to do the practical so that you will get more clear picture. So without practical knowledge, you will not be able to understand it properly. So you need practical knowledge. So for practical knowledge, you need a computer. Each one of you, you need a computer, a laptop or a desktop with this operating system, Windows 10 or Windows 11 or MacBook. On that laptop, you need to have minimum 8 GB of RAM, minimum 4 logical processor, and 100 GB hard disk space. Okay, that's the first requirement. Second requirement is you need to have a Visa or Master credit card or debit card. And you need a mobile phone. So three things are required: computer, then you need a card, debit or credit, and Android or iOS mobile phone. Any question from anyone? Hmm?
No, it's clear.
Okay. So tomorrow we will meet at 8 a.m. India time. I will create a WhatsApp group, okay, and add you guys in. So you send me a hi message that you are interested to continue from tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow 8 a.m. we are going to meet 8 to 9 daily basis, 8 to 9 a.m. and it's going to take 45 days to finish all the topics. 8 to 9 we will do Monday to Friday. 45 days to finish all the topics. Okay, guys. So I hope I was able to give you all the information. So tomorrow we will meet at 8 o'clock and then we will start doing our practical and all. So you need to also make sure you download this. Let me send you the link. Okay. I will send you a link. So get this downloaded today itself. So you need to go to tinyurl.com/links for MECM. Make sure you go to that link. Okay. Okay. So on this one, tinyurl.com/links for MECM. I think I have already given it to you. Yes, this is the link. And you need to download a few things. For example, you need to download 124. Okay, you need to download this one. How will you download? You have a link here. You simply click on that link and then it will ask you to download. One 124 you need to download and 126. These two, make sure you download 124 and 126 before we join tomorrow. One 124 and 126. Okay. Get this downloaded today. Tomorrow when we meet, we will do our practical. Okay. We'll meet tomorrow, guys, at 8 a.m. Any question before we wrap it up? Okay. Bye now. Bye,
Yeah.
everyone.
Thank you.